Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today's video is Daily English Conversations, simple, real-life dialogues that you can use every day. I'll also give clear explanations after each conversation. Let's start.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great.
Explanation. This is the most common way to start a conversation politely.
What are you doing?
I'm just working on my laptop.
Oh, nice. Carry on.
Explanation. Just makes the sentence softer and friendly.
Excuse me, how much is this?
It's 499 rupees.
Do you have it in another color?
Yes, we have yellow and blue.
Great. I'll take the blue one.
Explanation. Use excuse me before asking anything in a shop.
Can you help me with this?
Sure, what do you need?
I need to upload this file, but it's not opening.
No problem, I'll check.
Explanation. Can you help me with this? Is polite and simple.
Could I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you go.
I'll have the fried rice and a lemon juice.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Explanation. I'll have is the correct phrase for ordering food.
Hello, is this Emily?
Yes, speaking.
I'm calling to confirm your appointment for today at 4 p.m.
Yes, I'll be there. Thank you.
Explanation. Speaking means yes, I am the person.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
Go straight and take the first right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Explanation. Go straight and take a right left are common direction phrases.
Did you finish the report?
Yes, I sent it to your email.
Great. Thank you.
Explanation. Short, professional, and commonly used.
Hi, I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
I'm Gabriel. Nice to meet you too.
What do you do?
I work in IT.
Explanation. Nice to meet you is always polite.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes. Why?
Let's go for a coffee.
Sounds good.
Explanation. Sounds good means yes, okay.
The weather is so hot today.
I know. I can't wait for winter.
Explanation. Small talk helps keep the conversation friendly.
Can you take me to the railway station?
Yes. Get in.
How long will it take?
Around 15 minutes.
Explanation. Use how long will it take to ask about time.
What do you want for dinner?
Anything is fine.
Okay, let's order pizza.
Explanation. Anything is fine equals no specific choice.
Doctor, I have a headache.
Since when?
Since last night.
Is the pain mild, moderate, or severe?
It's moderate, but it gets worse when I look at a screen.
I see. Do you have any other symptoms? Fever, cold, or nausea?
No, just the headache.
I'll give you some medicine. Take 1 tablet after food.
All right, doctor. Anything else?
Yes. Drink plenty of water and take good rest.
Sure, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take care.
Explanation. Since when asks the starting time.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Sure, have a nice day. You too.
Explanation. Perfect polite closing.
Thanks for watching. If you want more daily English conversations, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.